Okay, you guys, as you can see, I need $12, $15, 16. It actually bounced over the 53 mark, but then it pulled back before I can get the recording going. So I'm trying to see if I can get this thing to push one more again. And I should have used one more additional mini contract. So I'm trying to get it because I've got to get to 3,053. And so it's just bouncing around. It may not get there at the time of this recording, but um, we'll see if it can give one more quick push. That's all I need, and I can close this one out. And it's just dancing in this zone. So, dang, yeah, it hit it too. It hit it. It hit it. It hit it. I was trying to show you guys that I'm going to be passing this one, and while we're waiting, here's two more. We take profit trader, so I'm up with two of these, up $300 each account for a total of 600 profit. So I just got two more accounts because I was like, you know what, I already know this one I'll pass. Only need less than $20 or 20 bucks now. So this will be another account pass this week. Man, I'm upset that this thing that gave a push to the upside and gave me exactly what I wanted, but now it's just retracing. So, oh well, oh freaking well. Jeez, unfortunate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop loss right here to this level so that if it comes back and taps, and that's okay. At least I'll just need like $60 or whatever it is. No big deal. Man, I was trying to get the thing to push. It was doing so well, pushing ahead. But that's what happens. It pushes and retraces. It goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up. And now it's starting to pull back. But man, I was needing that thing to go right there. Gee whiz. So, okay, well, I guess I recorded this for nothing because I want you guys to see me actually passing this challenge. So, because like I said, it actually went to 53K, and that's what you need. You start with a 50K account, and you have to get it to 53. So as you can see, I'm just a couple of dollars away. I wish this thing would just turn around, bro. Just turn up freaking around and push up one more time. Because if it touched it right here, I definitely didn't pass it right there. So either way it goes, I done locked in profit. I'm going to send a message to the group, by the way, letting them know I suggest to take profit, which I probably do. Got my stop there because it's going into London time, and I don't like holding trades going into London. They just jerk things around. They're very nasty. Hold on one second. These before London. Have a good night. Another winner in the books. All right, so I sent them that message. So I think we're 5-0 now. We are 5-0 this week. So let me get a screenshot of that, and I'll share that with you guys as well. Let's see. And some people actually use a regular contract. These are mini boys because I only needed a few dollars, so I didn't want to go big on this. Had I used one, I would already way blew past it. So that's why, people, they use whatever they feel is comfortable for their account. So let's see. Let me take this screenshot and share this with y'all. Okay. And we still got trades running in the copycat group as well. So as you can see, this is where we are for this week. Oh, let me undo this. Put this at, let's do orange. So as you can see, this is the result so far for this week. Here's the trades that we've taken. And so we're 5-0 so far and one break even. So we're moving right on along with my trade alerts. Oh, that would be a blessing if this thing just stops right here and pops up, wouldn't it? God, man, that would be nice. Well, anyway, it'll be passed by tomorrow. So that's why I was telling you guys, hey, your challenge is to not blow accounts up this week. Go small, take your time, and don't rush the process. As you can see, I could have used a regular NQ, and yes, I would have already passed it. However, what if it would have went the other way? Then I would have probably been starting from scratch. You know what I mean? Because this thing, one little move would have knocked me backwards too far. So that's why I used two little boys, and you can see two little boys is doing good enough. So for some of you guys, if you had did $200 a day, like I was telling you guys before, $200 a day times 5 days is $1,000 a week times 4 weeks, that's $4,000 a month. So look at this. This is a simple trade, $200 right here. So if I close it out at 200, I'm still sitting pretty. You get what I'm saying? So this is why I'm not a fan of being in a rush no more. What's the point of rushing? Just take your time. You'll get there. So anyway, I'll close this video out. It looks like this may have just did a temporary pullback because as you can see now, the candles are pushing higher and creating those highs. So if that's the pullback, that would be the trend line that it's respecting, and therefore it'll bounce off of here and then shoot up higher. And so that would really be nice. So I'm gonna move my stop up just a little bit right below this low right there. So no matter what, I'm going to make money on this trade, and then I just probably need about maybe $60 tomorrow on another trade if I need it. But it'd be nice if this thing actually, does a thunder thrust and taps up there. See, it's trying to touch me. Let me bring this down right there. I'll bring it right there because you can see this little wick right here. Let me make this bigger so you guys can see it. See how it's doing that little wick right there? It's doing a little pullback wick. So if it stops right here and create this double bottom and then pushes higher, then I'm good. If not, and it looks like I'm going to get tapped.
Stop filled.
And there we go. So I'm out. Okay, guys. So that's the end of that. I'm going to stop this video and go ahead and secure all my other accounts as well. This is why I closed my trades before London.